how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds crashing constantly on your PC. So if you want to fix this problem, then the first thing you need to do is go to the Task Manager. To open your Task Manager, right click on your taskbar and then click on the Task Manager, and you will get this kind of interface. And here you will find the option of Monster Hunter Wilds. Right click on it, and then you will find the option of Set Affinity. Once you find the Set Affinity option, click on it and you will have the options to choose the CPU. You'll have all processors or CPU 0 or CPU 1, 2, 3, and 4. So uncheck those one or two CPUs and your problem might be fixed. Or the second thing that you need to do is search for Edit Power Plan, and you'll get this kind of interface. And then click on Change Advanced Power Settings and go with the option of Processor Power Management. Click on the plus option, and here you will have minimum processor state or system cooling quality and maximum processor state. You need to go with maximum processor state, and you need to change it to 99 instead of 100. And the last thing is change your settings in game to medium and disable the frame generation. So hope that helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.